This is our old mink farm. Now we change it with government. We try to change it. And there's a long way for changing the license for a different company. Come on. It's old Dodge. There's a cabin from a pickup. Old Chevy van, diesel. Ja. I have the cabin van Unimog. You see inside the gauge.
Oh, it's a very big roll bar.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Why did you build this big roll bar
For rallies.
for rallies?
Yeah.
Breslau, like Breslau.
Yeah, Breslau rally. That kind of rallies. That's what we want to do, but more for not for the prize, but more for the fun. We like it, and now you can meet with more people. Normally, the people drive the driver, the navigator, and the mechanic. But now we made for the mechanic and the driver and the navigator is very small in the cabin. Now we try it more space for the mechanic, and maybe another guy can go with us for fun, more for the fun. That's normally you have a team, and the whole team is help building, do everything, but nobody can drive together with the rally. And what we want to do is driver, navigator, mechanic, and one guy of the team can drive it rally for one day, and the next day another one, and more for the fun. That's what we want to do. But also I have some questions from different rallies for camera team, and they want to do sit in a cabin with a rally cage, and you can drive. This is a VIA rally cage, and I can drive in the rally. But the camera team can stand out and can make the movie for the rally, and I think so. That's for us is fun that we started. There's also a hobby. I fixed the motor. It's also a hobby. This is the Unimog. We changed the suspension for here. And we put a block inside for jumping, and also what we want to do, I can show you here, it's better to see. We want to do cooling the brakes. We made cooling stuff inside, cooling stuff outside, and we cool the suspension. And that's the most important thing. You have to make a jump, and the oil heat up. Then the next jump, and the next jump, and the next jump, and the oil heat up, and last time you have no suspension with this system. And now we're cooling this. You have the oil the same temperature. That's the point, what we try to do.
And which type of Unimog is this?
1300. The engine is 366, but we've made some things different inside in the motor, in the head. We made the inside and the out and the exhaust bigger for the air. We have a bigger pump on it, and I don't know exactly what kind of horsepower they give, but we try to do. My know-how is from the tractor pulling, and I do some things for tractor pulling engineering, and the same ideas we take a little bit for this Unimog. What we want to do is we engineering gearboxes for electric drivelines. That's a business for us, and I try to find out for a gearbox for the Unimog. Then we can make more steps then you can drive faster. But before on the road, you can 85, 90 kilometers an hour drive with 1800 RPM on the motor. That's what we try to do for the Unimog. There's also a project. I buy this car with a broken engine. Now we fix the engine, and after fixing the engine, the car go for painting with a different color, and we fix up the car. That's also a project. We have many projects here. We made here is a cleaning soap, only with natural products. There's 100% no chemicals, and it's for cleaning for windows. Now we are with a big project for plastics. In a big company, they recycle plastics. But the cleaning before, then we start now a test with our stuff, and in the future they want more our products for cleaning for recycling plastics. But it's also for cleaning for aircos now, for windows. You can cleaning everything with this, but it's 100% natural. Oh, this 366 engine. This is another pump.
Ooh, a G-Wagen.
Yeah.
I love G-Wagen.
For now, you can see the car is painting. We rebuilt the engine. And the engine, the axles, the gearbox, we've made everything, new bearings inside, and reverse, fix everything for new one. This is a benzine engine, but in Holland we made it for the LPG, for the gas. And for the next time we changed some things in the engine. That's what we do here. This is the motor from the GMC V8. V8 engine. Yeah. A lot of parts over there for motorbikes. A lot of parts. Yeah.
Real motorbike.
Yeah. Only Suzuki. Yeah. Old Chevy.
Yeah, you can. I had this one for 3 months in my belly because he was too small when his mother died. Long tail. Yeah. Very soft, yeah. Really is.
For here we built a new garage, but we have too many stuff for made it. Yeah. It's a Volvo 740 pickup. It's a special car. Ja. 2. Yeah. We only like special cars. And over here we have another Chevy. This is look like a new car. From 1985. And you buy it, it's come from America in the summer.
Well, this is my chicken place. I have the special chicken with colored eggs, green eggs, blue eggs, brown, yellow, white. It's all wet now. Kibbies! They think it's raining. That's the one that lays blue eggs. These ones, this is special. I put the chickens with the blue eggs together with a cock with dark brown eggs. So I get darker green eggs, or dark with speckles. So I'm not sure what kind of color these chickens will lay, because they are still young. Within 1 or 2, 3 weeks they will start laying eggs. So it's a surprise what will come out. The brown ones with the white spots, they are my favorite. I used to have more than 100 chickens, but now there are still 50. Yeah, I will show you colored eggs. This is a special egg. It's a mix of Araucana, Welsemer, Marans. This is a mix of Marans Araucana. Actually, this is all the same, but different chickens. Not every chicken lays the same bright or less bright color. And I try to make the eggs more blue or more clear green. So it's just hobby. Egg of the day. Yeah, yeah, all different kinds.
Dark red, light red.
This is Marans. This is also Marans. Welsemer, Sussex, olive egger. Olive egger is a cross between dark and green. So this is Araucana, Uilenbaard.
The right one is a military egg.
This one, yeah. Taste is just the same. All the chickens eat the same, only the color of the scale is different. Yeah.